At auroville.com we have an assortment of handmade syrups, with carefully sourced ingredients. So keep watching, because we've got 3 delicious do-it-yourself recipes. When looking at food or drinks, your first taste is with your eyes. So take that little extra minute to find some ingredients to dress up your refreshing drink and turn it into a mocktail. Our first inspiration is called the Power Delight. It's made from hibiscus, which is rich in antioxidants. It lowers your blood pressure and increases good cholesterol while still retaining an amazing taste. Just get some ice and soda, pour a little hibiscus syrup to your liking, squeeze of lemon, and decorate with a cute little starfruit. This one is definitely a cooling drink for every occasion, and we're just getting started. Our second recipe is fun to say and drink. The kumquat cooler is jam-packed with healthy properties. Beyond its fresh, but deep citrusy taste, it provides a metabolic boost sprinkled with a little bit of anti-aging and anti-inflammatory benefits. Add the syrup over some ice and soda. Squeeze some lemon, then a slice of cucumber and mint. And there you have it, rich flavor for a refreshing booster. And finally, our third recipe, the tamarito. Did you know the tamarind is a versatile, heart-friendly fruit with a tangy kick? Among many health benefits, it offers digestive properties, while aiding your liver and supporting weight loss. Start by adding some tamarind syrup, a little soda and ice. Sprinkle in a little peppercorn, and garnish the rim with some rosemary and cinnamon sticks. It's a delicious and healthy hydration solution with a twist. We hope that you are inspired and that your creativity kicks into overdrive the next time you're making drinks. Just follow the links in the description and let us do the rest. We also appreciate your support by subscribing to our channel on your way out. See you soon.